Hello everyone and welcome to our BES Virtual Social Studies Night. These slides in front of you are the Google Slides that will help you navigate through our Virtual Social Studies Night. Make sure that once you are here that to go through these slides, you click this white play button at the top, the present button, to have it in present mode. Now, this is our first screen to welcome you. If you click on it, it will bring you straight to a table of contents for each grade level. This will help you navigate your path of how you want to handle your social studies night with your students. Now, you may want to go through every single activity for each grade level. If you want to do that, you can quickly click on pre-K. It will take you to pre-Ks. Then you will just click the over button, or you'll just keep clicking on the slide, and it will take you to every single activity for each grade level. Now, you may not want every single grade level and their activities, so every time you want to go back to that table of contents, you can click down here on this blue table of contents button at the bottom of each page. It will take you right back to the click on your grade level screen. Say you have 2, 3, 4 children and you just want to go to their specific grade levels. Like myself, I have a kindergartner and a third grader, so I may just want to go to those specific grade levels. Well, then I can click on kindergarten, and it will take me straight to the first kindergarten activity. Now, each grade level has 2 activities. This is kindergarten's first activity for Martin Luther King Jr. It tells me to first play the read aloud below. Any links that you will need for read alouds or videos or HyperDocs or cool web quests that the teachers have created or have found for you will be in red, and they will be underlined. So if you click on those red links, it will take you out to those specific resources that the teachers have for you. Now, once I'm finished with kindergarten's first activity, if I just click on the slide or click the over arrow, I will find kindergarten's second activity. Every grade level will have 2. Now, kindergarten also has another activity on Martin Luther King Jr. It has a video down here and also a self-portrait tutorial, and it tells you exactly what to do with these resources. So, say I'm finished with my kindergartner and we've had our little time on Martin Luther King Jr. and I want to go back to third grade. I will remember to click this table of contents button at the bottom, and it will take me back to those grade levels. Now I want to go to third grade for my third grader. And so I'll go straight to their page. Again, I see the topic, they're working on colonial America, and there's a HyperDoc. Again, this is the link because it's in red that I will need to click and work on one of those activities. Once we're finished with the first activity for third grade, I can click that over arrow, or I can click on the page, and it looks like, again, we're working on colonial America with that same HyperDoc. There are lots of activities that it looks like we can work through that HyperDoc. Once I'm finished with third grade, I may want to go back to the table of contents and just look and see what another grade level may have. But if not, I can be finished. We want you to use this to navigate your own path for your students that you have at home. We hope you enjoy these social studies activities that our teachers have created for you, and we hope you have a fun night of social studies at home. We thank you for joining us.